Never again. We are not going back to civil war. After many years of self-destruction, killing, raping, and looting, many around the world that the Somali could ever come back. Now, Somalis elected someone they could all be proud of, President Sheikh Sharif Sheikh Ahmed. Kudos to my people. Irrespective to all that divide us, what unite us far too strong. We are one nation of the same Father, with one language, one religion, and one color. However, we must worry and be mindful of all the challenges that are to be confronted, both internal and external. Challenges, I say we because, unlike many other Somalis, I believe government that is by the people and for the people. No government can be or do anything of constructive, of substantive without the support of its citizen. Therefore, we must work hard to build on our entry to the government institution united. Let us confront our fears and challenges. We must overcome all of our worries. We will overcome them, inshallah. Every one of us must become active participant to better our people and our country. Do provide services, knowledge, skills, and expertise to benefit our all. I am despondent of the recent past Somalis on Somali crimes, killing, raping, and looting. The destruction of life and infrastructure surpasses any recorded in the world history. I call on all you to reject tribalism and decisive politics. As the renowned Greek philosophers say, united we stand, divided we fall. Let us denounce violence all together. Let us say, never again. Please say it with me. Never again, not going back. Never again, we are not going back to civil war. May all bless us, may all bless Somalia. Thank you.